All right, so now we're going to add our lesson content. So if I go into this first lesson here, you can see there's no content. And I'm just going to go into it by going to the course and opening up the course builder. And while that's loading, remember I'm building all this off this simple document, and I have some videos here which I have hosted on a service called Wistia. And that's popular in the LifterLMS community, as well as Vimeo Pro. Vimeo Pro is probably the most popular place to host your videos. You don't really want to get into hosting those yourself and let the video hosting do that for you. And they do have privacy settings and that kind of thing so that your video content is secure. So I'm going to click expand all. And over here is the lesson settings. So you can see that opened up, and I am just going to my text document here. This is a video from my video hosting, and I'm just going to put that right in there in the video embed URL field. And now you can see this little video icon has lit up, and I'm going to do that again with another video. So I'm going to get lesson 2's video right here. I'm just going to copy that and add that in here. And this is really pretty amazing, the fact that we are building an entire course, a video course, from one screen. So I'm going to my third, and I'm not going to do the whole course here, but just for demonstration purposes. We've got 3 lessons that have video now, and you can see how they're kind of lit up here. And if I were to go into this first lesson, just by clicking that button, you can see we now have a lesson video here. So our course is coming together, and if I go to lesson 2, you can see there's another video, and then lesson 3, we've got another video. So we've started to put together video lessons here, and if I want to go into this specific lesson, I could click Edit Lesson, and you can see I'm inside this lesson. You can see that down here in the video embed URL, that's here, so that's where the video is coming from. But I could start adding other content into this lesson as well, like a worksheet download. I could put that in there. I could do a just supplemental material, and really anything that I can grab from in here or any of the blocks, I can start putting in more content than just videos. So really anything's possible, but just wanted to show you the easy way to do it where you're if you're just doing video lessons, how quickly you can get it done. And if you look over here, that you've got the course outline over here, so if you need to jump back over to the course, you can do that. And so this is like the course page, and then the course builder is down here. But we have essentially looked at how to add lesson content to our LMS. So that's how you can add lesson content, whether you're doing video, audio, worksheets, text, images. There's all kinds of things you can add, and we'll get into some other fancy stuff you can do in the next lesson.